Hi, Carl and Massimo. What a great day for tossing a beach ball around. Oh, this is a serious competition. Somebody needs your help, Carl. You better get home right away. It's Rocky and Baby Rocky at the airport. They look so scared. What are they looking at? Oh no, it's Babs. She's being carried off by a bunch of balloons. She's really high off the ground. What if she drifts into the tower? She clearly needs your help, Carl. Supertruck is here to help, guys. There's Babs. Is she wearing an astronaut suit? You wanted to help her fly to the moon on balloons? Wait, the antenna is falling, but Babs is still flying away. Rocky, move! Oh no, he is petrified. I'm going to transform. Great, hurry! A super claw truck? Do you think you can catch it? Rocky, it's too dangerous. Stop! Oh no! Supertruck, you are awesome!
Hey!
Now let's bring Babs back on Earth. But how?
Hey, hey, hey.
The laser? Supertruck, isn't that a little risky? Well, it's an explosive manner, but it's working. Another great rescue today, Supertruck. Are you taking Babs on a kiosk so that she can look at the sky and pretend to be in space? That's a sweet dream.